when I work with the different companies around 35 years, I executed whole greenfield project from scratch to complete product lineup. And then I came to know that if I would share my knowledge to the different categories, and in real estate, if you know, around 200 products are required for building a building, and around 50 services are required. So what I thought that we can share the knowledge and experience gained during my 35 years of service. Next. So this is a new venture, RERAproperty.com. This is an e-commerce platform where we collaborate, connect, and create a business. Now, what is the collaboration? Collaboration is for buyer, builder, and brokers. You know that brokers are the most unorganized fraternity right now in the real estate sector, and we are connecting all the brokers of Nagpur. We have around 1,000 certified brokers registered at our platform, and these 1,000 brokers will have, if you consider that they have only two probable convertible leads, then 2,000 leads are available. Nagpur is divided into 30 pin codes. So if you consider that 30 pin codes, and we have 1,000 brokers, hundreds are special brokers, and 900 are divided into 30 pin code. So every pin code is having 30 brokers. Suppose one builder, like say Manoj Kumbare, and his building is, or his project is situated at Manish Nagar. So we have 30 brokers registered with us for Manish Nagar area, and the leads can be obtained. We are obtaining our leads from AI generated system, and they are 82% convertible leads. Not only convertible, 82% convertible leads we are providing. Next. I am also an ex-member of IFA. I am ex-member of BNI Lanco chapter, past chairman of JCOM Nagpur 3.0 Nagpur table, honorary director, advisory board member of NGO called Gayatri Foundation, and member of BBN Nagpur chapter next. These are the some few assignments I have done during my lifespan. Successfully fabricated and supplied 50 meter cube capacity SS304 chemical storage tank. This I will share with you, so I am not investing more time on it. Next. So everybody start the construction with a plot. So what is plot? At RERAproperty.com, plot is purpose to connect with, then L for leadership, O for operation, and T for technology. We have gathered this 4 category in our platform, and this is our aim to secure all stakeholders. Basically, they are connected, and we are capturing their wealth, capturing for their wealth, and connecting for that. Next. Next. So this is our mission to connect the technology, streamline the process, and enable buyers and builders for seamlessly making informed decisions swiftly. Next. So on our platform, there are these 3 people connected: like builder and broker, buyer, and property consultant. I will now welcome my staff. Her name is Preshita Talas, and she is admin. Next. So on behalf of you all people, I will ask her that why we should connect.
Basically, thank you, sir, for the opportunity. So, on the behalf of RERAproperty.com, I let you know, if you are a buyer, you are in the safe place for investing your hard-earned money, right? So for that, first thing we'll be providing is we are having smart technology as our tool. We'll be using AI to provide a 3-level security check to give you a filter out property. Then we'll be working on the mutual success. As Sir said, that we'll be working on the collaboration, connection, and creation of wealth for all the 3 substitutes of our vision. So basically, they 3 are buyers, brokers, and builders. And similar, next slide, sir. We will be helping out with the legal services. If in case we provide any of the disputed property, we'll be helping out in that sense. And similarly, we will be providing you investment analysis according to your investment requirement. We'll be providing you the property, and we will be providing training and certification which is necessary via RERA, that too through our platform. Thank you. Let me introduce Ms. Abhilasha. She is our builder community head, and Ms. Abhilasha will answer my question. Basically, Ms. Abhilasha, please let me know why should I enroll into RERAproperty.com as a builder?
Hello. So, as a builder, you can avail our services through 2 methods. First is yearly subscription, in which you will have to pay 2 lakh rupees per year, and second is mandate, where